Hey y'all, I'm back again with another fast tutorial. Today we're doing a frontal wig install and we're going to put some curls in it and style it up. So first we have to start with our straight back braids. You always do straight back braids when you're doing a wig install. It gives you a flatter foundation. Get your thread and you're going to sew that last braid up. Once you finish that, cut the thread off. Then we're going to go into oiling the scalp. Me and my girl was really talking. We had a lot to catch up on and talk about. So, sorry about, we was talking a lot, but y'all can't hear us. But anyway, so after you oil and massage your scalp, make sure you put your lace cap on. I always use the HD lace caps because they blend in. They look more like scalp. Now you want to go in with your holding spray on top of the cap. Your needle and thread and go from one ear all the way to the other ear across the cap. Now we're going in with our lace tint spray, and after that we're going into our first layer of glue. Now once you get that glue smeared in, we're going to go in and cut our cap. Be careful when cutting the cap because you can cut your client with the scissors, so be extra careful. Now you're going to go in with your 5 to 7 layers of glue. This is mandatory if you want your wig to last long. Now I'm going in to spray the lace tint inside of the wig, and I'm cutting the lace jaggedly. Remember to do it jaggedly. It looks more natural. Now you have to pop that wig on and get the wig pressed down. Massage the wig in all the areas where the glue is so it can seep through the lace just a little bit. Here I'm sectioning off a front piece of her hair that I'm not going to need because it makes her forehead look too low. So I'm going to cut that in a jagged line too so it could blend in. So it's basically just pushing the hairline back a little more. we're going in, hitting the hot spots. The hot spots are the spots that did not get glued down from the first time we put the wig on. So now we pull the wig, lift it up, see what areas it's lifting up in, and we re-glue those areas down. Now you want to section your client's wig off, the back to be precise, and you're going to sew the back of the wig down for more security. Now here I'm just moving the hairline back to hot comb everything into place. To do this, you can use the holding spray or you can use mousse. It's up to you. Now when plucking your hairline, make sure you hold down the edge of the lace so it won't lift while you're plucking. I always pluck on top of my client's head because it gives me a more natural look. Now you want to go in and pluck those baby hairs until you get them, to a natural look or to your client's liking. Now I'm going in with my razor to cut the baby hairs. I always use a razor because I don't want the line to be very blunt. So that's why I like using the razor. It gives a more natural look instead of a blunt look. And y'all know we got to lay them baby hairs down with the milk and mousse. So that's what we're doing here. Now we're going into our styling. So I'm just combing everything out because I'm getting ready to curl it. Y'all know we mostly do curls away from the face unless your client has different requests. But in this case, she didn't. She wanted, her sexy curls away from her face. So that's what we gave her. So this is how it came out, and it is giving, y'all. Yes. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.